That's the second join. Might try and fill the gaps a little bit. If I was confident, I'd use something hot and just smooth it over. Need to trim them down a bit. And then we need to fit the motor. Now, he'd already started, he rigged up this motor, which obviously is a brushless. I've added this bicycle spoke and some silicone tubing to connect it together at the moment. I've actually got some proper little, what do you call them? Well, proper joints. On order, but they're on order from AliExpress or eBay or whatever, so they may take a while to come. So I need to organise this at the right position. It's supposed to go right back there actually. So I have to take those nuts and bolts out that he's put in there already. Yeah, it's up at a bit of an angle at the moment, so that's a bit stiff. I had to heat up my tube and melt the plastic a bit to get the alignment right, because it actually come through at a bit of an angle when I drilled the hole. So it's not quite as neat as it was when I first drilled it. Now we're getting closer. One thing I didn't mention when I was talking about this boat, I looked at the videos of the original designer, and he just holds the sections together with duct tape, which I thought was brilliant. I love duct tape. Might have to put a ESC on there, just so we can give it a little test, see what that's like. Because if this binds too much, then the prop shaft will get hot, and then it will all start melting, which won't be good. Just a very, very temporary lash up so we can test that motor. So I'm using the receiver that I've got in there, one of the ESCs that I've been sent in the box. I've got a 3S LiPo down there. So we have a working ESC, a working brushless motor, working on one of my existing receivers. Yeah, okay, that'll do for today.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel. with more added daily. So don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.